Yes, we made it. 1,200 steps. Is that right? Yeah. Too tired. This is the last handrail.
Mana?
Oh my
Let's go. Laba,
God.
daba, daba. Para to siya.
Mga naog na. We're going back na. Oh, Ella! Wait, please! Huy, Bibi!
Padidit lang ako. Kay Kakoy.
No, tell Ella to wait, please. Uli na ta?
Sa dihang, magsugod na may panganaw.
Uli na, me. Naabot na namo ang 1,200 steps. Wow. Wagi nagsugo namo. Kami ra giga. Gigakuan.
That's the top.
Nice in the top. From the top.
Kamay na lang madilim na siya kayo. Your knee is not Hawaii anymore.
Nice man po diri.
We already put our names there. Yeah, so it's
For
worth
you.
it. It's all worth it.
Hinay-hinay.
It's highway, maga. It's highway there. What's highway?
Uli na me. Thank you. 1,000 steps. We made it. Yes.
Picture dayo.
Unsa may picturean? Ikaw? Ah. Video man ni siya. Hello. Say hello in the Chest Canada from Kajanao. Philippines. Yahoo. Oh, manguli na mi. Hoy, bibi, hinay-hinay ha. Dili kumpiyansa.
Don't do that. Dili na nga. Di na kapoy.
Oh my gosh. We made it. Looks like we made it. Oh, Rara, can you sing? We are on top of the world.
Looks like we made it. Look how far we come, baby.
Ano sa tong kanta nga? I'm on the
Top
top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can
what is this?
find.
Bakit video?
Kay maka-video ko sa ubos
Dire,
sa
dire, dire.
ibabaw. Be. Look. I can take video front and no, we have to wait for Claire.
What is all that? Ah, wow. That's the proper town of Kajanao, Dinagat Islands, Philippines. Yahoo!
Yahoo!
I'm on the top of the world looking Kara slowly. And the only explanation I can find.
That I found ever since you've been around. Your love puts me at the top of the world.
I'm on the top of the world looking.
Kara! Slowly. Wait for me.
But surely,
Oh.
General love
It's nice going down. Fresh air. Kanta-kantahan ra. Pero ganina, alis ngag ang ilong. Oy, di ba, Bi?
yeah.
Oh, video ni siya. Oh. Di ba? Apila po ko sa video, Bi. Kaya wala di ay ko. Ako na po anak siya. Anak. Diri. Tuyo. Anak.
Hello.
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 Hello from 1,200 steps in Kajanao, Dinagat
My-
Island. Yay.
My only sister visit here.
Oh yes. Thank you for watching, guys. All right. Go back to the what you call that, to the actors and actresses. Okay, your turn, B. Say hello. Uy, hinay-hinay. Di ba nindot kaayo? Wow.
Si Aladdin. Di ko ano
Oh, si Mayin, palagi ka tung. Ano siya daw? Ha? Haman si Rara, Kara. Hinay-hinay, Kara. Haman si Mama. Si Mama?
Tuwa, si Lindy man ang kuan.
Ayaw
kasuko din kay walay mo tanawa na kay nasuko na ka.
Hinay-hinay, Kara, ha? Yes. I would like to call the attention of Amazing Race Canada, Amazing Race USA to try this challenge. 1,200 steps. Yeah. Oh my God. That would be fun. I would like to join. Yeah. The first one to get the clue or the flag, Amazing Race flag, win the game. Diba? Pang Amazing Race talaga tong challenge na to. Slowly, girls. Oh, hinay-hinay. It's too steep. Hinay-hinay, Kara. Ah, nagpadidit siya, oh. Wow. Dito tanan ang diha mi nakaabot o kana siya nga part na diha. Grabe. Ha? Hinay-hinay. Hinay-hinay means slowly. Hinay-hinay Bisaya of slowly. Because I am Bisaya speaking. Philo. Pila. Oh my gosh. Wala ni kuan. Wala ni script dire-diretso ni walay kuan. Di para sa uban vlogger na naagid sila ka ng unsa ilang istorya. Ako basta mao na to. Hinay-hinay. Hinay-hinay ha. Okay. Kara, hinay-hinay. Oh, why are you screaming? Practicing for what? Can you dance, Ella? Kara, hawak mo ang beat. Hawak mo ang... Hinay-hinay. Naguna-una, gid akong anak dito. O, murag kurik. Hinay-hinay. Wow. Hinay-hinay, Marco. You know what is hinay-hinay? Slowly, slowly. Yeah. It's nice going down, right? Yeah. But going up, oh my gosh. Yeah, we just take a break there for like 20 minutes. Yeah. Hey, why are you guys screaming? You're waking up the people living here. They're not like ours people, not like what you call that? Oh my God. What is that? Look at the color of the land here. Red. Red soil. Red land. It's interesting. I didn't see any. Yeah. I just realized there's no coconut tree in this area. Why? How come? Maybe this soil is full of minerals, or maybe there's a gold underground. Wow! Oh my God! Look at that! Hinay-hinay! Manoy! Ingna sila maghinay-hinay. Si Rara, ingna po si Rara. Una-una gid na siya ba? Hinay-hinay tawon. Wow. How's the experience?
It's a workout.
Oh, a good workout. I think you burn 5,000 or 10,000 calories. 10,000. Huh? Or more?
More.
That's good. Yes. I want to build a house over there. I want to buy one lot there. 1,000 square meters. Yeah. But the problem is there's no walkway. Just this one. Every day we want to go downtown to buy groceries. 1,000 steps going up and down. You think I can handle that? Yes. Hinay, hinay! Oh my God! Na. Huwat na sila, huwato na lang sila. Ma-experience nila ang ibabaw. No? Hoy, Ella, Cara, please! Hinay, hinay!
Nanan tubig oh.
Anong tubig?
Supply.
Ignara gud man hinay, hinay si Cara, gyud.
Lagi. Si Rara lagi ang guide nila mo nang
Si Rara?
bata. Oh, si Rara.
Lagi na si Rara kay abtik man na kani first time nila ni maginani.
Wala man kapuya mga bata.
Unya, unsa man imong kastorya bahin aning imong experience karon? Ikaw ba nagbasol, nagmahay? Manoy, nagkiang-kiang naman ka?
Wala.
Hinay-hinay. Slowly. Ha? Yeah. Hinay-hinay. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Nobody told us to go here anyway. We just want to take this challenge. Amazing Race Challenge, right? I am inviting already the amazing team, amazing race team to come over here and experience the 1,200 steps in Kaginao Dinagat Islands. Why not, right?
Oh,
Water,
you like water? Tubig.
tubig.
But not cold.
Unsa na ti bibi? Remembrance to remember.
Pitsil.
Ha?
Pitsil.
Pitsil plant.
Oh, kabaluan.
Inamuwag siya.
Ha?
Pitsil ba?
Oh.
Yang buwak day ba?
Sige.
Ayan dahon. Na ito mo nga murag pitsil.
Oh, oo. Hi. Oh, nagkuan ko, nag-vlog ko. Naka, unsa na ni? Hala, 13 minutes already. Hinay-hinay. Hinay-hinay, please. Hinay-hinay. Oh my God. Hala.
Oh my God.
Look at that. Hinay-hinay, ha? Walk slowly, my love.
No.
Yes.
Come on, let me go first.
No, let me go first.
I'm better.
Hey, don't do that, Cara. Please. This make me scared.
7. You take a month.
So,
Rara! Rara!
oh my G.
Rara, come on! Rara!
Oh.
Oh, my leg's twitching. That means I have to
We're almost there. Oh. Wow. Hinay-hinay, girls. Okay. You're having fun? No? Feel tired?
maybe a 6. Okay, 6 waiting for going up and a 7 waiting for going down.
Okay. It's still above 5. Out of 10. Yeah, dong rate kay 6 and 7. 6, 7. Wow. Oh, diha mi taman. We're gonna be until that building. Yeah. All right. That's it, everybody. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Carry your skirt.
Bye.
Bye.
All right.